Hi, I'm Keith Banks, and I am so excited to be teaching this online class with you. If you're ready to learn and grow in your drumming, get your sticks because these next 3 weeks are going to be a journey that you are going to love. Okay, now the first thing we must start with is note value and counting system. When you are learning drum theory, it's important that you use words as quarter notes and eighth notes and 16th notes and triplets, and all these are terminologies that you use in drum theory. So right now, let's learn our first note value. Please look at your chart and you will see everything I'm talking about. Quarter note count. It's spoken like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try it again. Quarter note count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, eighth note count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, now let's go to 16th note count. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Again. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Now, eighth note triplet. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. 16th note triplet. 1 triplet and triplet, 2 triplet and triplet, 3 triplet and triplet, 4 triplet and triplet. Got that? 1 triplet and triplet, 2 triplet and triplet, 3 triplet and triplet, 4 triplet and triplet. Very good. Okay, now let's talk about the different dynamic hits that you can do on the drums. Let's start with the snare drums. There are 3 different places in which you can create a dynamic stroke. Starting with the highest dynamic, we call this the rim shot. This is when you hit the rim and the batter head. It sounds like this. Okay, now the medium dynamic stroke is called the center power stroke. This is when you only hit the center of the batter head like this. The next dynamic stroke you can use is the softest, and this is called the cross stick or side stick. And you have 2 options. You can put the stick like this, or you can turn the stick around and hit the butt of the stick. You can hear the different sounds that you can get. Okay, now with the hi-hat, you have 3 different ways that you can play the hi-hat. The first one is called the crashing of the hi-hat. This is when you open up the hi-hat and you hit it and allowing the crashing of the top and bottom hat to hit together like this. That's a high dynamic. And then you have what we call the bow. This is where you hit the top of the hi-hat. And this is more of a medium dynamic. And you hit it with the tip of the stick like this. Okay, now you have another way you can hit the hi-hat. This is when the hi-hat is closed and you playing the raw edge. This is called the raw edge, and you hitting it like this. And you can hear the difference from going from now with the crash cymbal, or if you have a ride cymbal as well, you can hit it crashing the cymbal using the edge like this. Or you can bow it like this. And you can hit the bell of the ride. So you have all three combinations. So based on the song, you should know how to apply the correct kind of dynamics in your stroke with the crash cymbal, with the hi-hat, and also with the snare drum. Okay, now let's go to rudiments. Here are the rudiments I love to practice: single stroke, double stroke, triplet, and single paradiddle. Here we go. Look at your chart as well to refer to what I'm doing. Single stroke, right, left, right, left, right, left. Double stroke, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. Triplet stroke, right, 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 left, left, left. Single paradiddle, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Okay, now let's do it all in a row with the metronome. You can use the tempo 75. Let's try this. Single stroke. And you can do this faster, okay? Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's go to the 4-stroke and the 6-stroke roll. The 4-stroke, 4 hits. The 6-stroke, 6 hits. So this is the 4-stroke around the kit, all right? Okay, a little faster. 6-stroke. Now let's do the 4-stroke and the 6-stroke as a combo. Here we go. Start with the 4-stroke, then go to 6-stroke. Okay, now let's do it a little bit faster. Okay, and so you can practice all of these at different speeds, and the key is consistency. Check your stick height and make sure you're not all high and one is real low, but if you watch my sticks, everything has the same height. And also, here's some tips about my technique. I love to use my fingers and my wrists working together. So not using my arms, you don't want to do this, but rather you want to do this motion. As you see, my hands are all moving together. My arm is moving together. My back is straight. And I'm not all like this. So when you go around the kit, you want to make sure you keep your posture. And that's how you get a smooth, clean, consistent sound. So play with control. Practice, Practice, practice. And I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.